Hey loves, it's your girl Beautiful Yaz, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to repurpose, or whatever you want to call it, bring back to life an old wig. As you can see, this is like a very old wig. The elastic band is stretched out and all. This is a lace closure wig that I made for a client probably like 6 or more months ago, and I'm just gonna repurpose it. These are the shampoo and conditioner that I will be using. The blue one is like my holy grail. That's my absolute favorite conditioner. So I have my scissors here, and I'm just going to cut along the thread to remove the elastic band. As you can see here, it looks like my client tried to get some more use out of her elastic band by folding it and sewing it some more, but as you can see, the elastic band is well overdue to be switched out with a new one because it is so stretched out of proportion. So after I finish cutting off all the thread on the elastic band, I will begin to co-wash the hair first with my regular tresemme luxurious moisture conditioner. And make sure I clean the lace on top and underneath the lace. So after I co-wash it, I will shampoo it with the tresemme shampoo, which is also says luxurious moisture on the bottle. And I'll just give this wig a good couple of shampoos. Until I can tell that it's clean enough. So after that, I will use my porosity control conditioner. Like I said before, I absolutely love this, and I believe that the brand has gotten rid of this exact type on this bottle that I'm using. I believe it says, wait, I'll have to look at it. It either says rejuvenating or anti-aging or something like that. And I believe that they got rid of that kind and have switched out with a different kind and changed the ingredients that they used. But so yeah, after I condition the hair, I'm gonna comb it out with this comb brush that I have, and you see how it looks good. So now I'm gonna rinse the conditioner out after letting it sit for a couple of minutes, probably about 5 minutes max, and then rinse it out, and this is how it looks. This is how the inside looks. I'm just gonna comb it out, and then I'll place it on my canvas head and comb it out and start blow drying it. So once you feel like the hair is dry enough, you can begin flat ironing it like so. And when it's a bob hairstyle, I normally just like bump the ends a tad bit, so it'll have like that cute little bumped look at the ends. And then once I'm finished flat ironing it, I will take my thin tooth comb, spray some got to be free spray on it, holding spray, and I will just comb down the hairs in the front where the part is, to separate the part better and to get rid of those little flyaway hairs. And for the second part of this video, I forgot to mention that in the beginning, it's kind of two parts of this. I will be showing you how to put an elastic band on a wig. So there you go, you get a 2-for-1 special in this video. So I'm going to take my roll of elastic band. I got this from Amazon, and I'm just going to like measure it to see how much band I will need, and I will measure it basically from like ear to ear, like where the wig will sit on my client's hair from ear to ear. See how much I need, and then just cut that off. And then I will just begin sewing the elastic band down onto the wig on one side, and once I finish one side, I will do the exact same thing on the other side. I have all this hair laid out underneath this wig because I just got finished blow drying it, and I was gonna make another wig for the same client. So she always has me making wigs for her. But you guys, guess what? Actually, something new that I have learned is that I haven't even tried it yet, but I'm saying that I've learned it because I watched YouTube videos about it. You guys know how it is. But you can expect a video from me on how to make a wig, a closure wig or a lace wig or a half wig or whatever, any type of wig, how to make a wig with using a sewing machine, you guys. And honestly, you know what? I think I might record that video today, God willing. But I'm so excited to have learned how to do that, so I cannot wait to try it. So yes, expect a video about that from me coming soon. And I just want to say happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all of that. So once I'm finished putting the elastic band on, I just tried it on. I'm looking a little crusty right now, but I'm like, let me try it on for y'all. Let me try it on for the people. I know they want to see what it looks like on, so let me just pop it on real quick so you guys can see what it looks like. It's so cute, isn't it? So, yep, this is how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please show these these hair videos some love, because hair is my passion, okay? I love shopping. I do love shopping too. Y'all love my Walmart videos. But, all right, I'll shut up now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.